Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel and I'm a YouTuber based in Zambia. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. So today in this video, I'm doing a vlog day in my life. So you guys are going to see what I'm doing today. So right now, I've already bathed. My hair is old. Yeah, I've already bathed, and you guys should let me know what skincare routines you use, because I never use anything for my face. I just wash my face with water and soap and a fresh towel, sometimes a sponge. Yeah, that's all that I use. So let me know what you use, because I want to start pampering my face. Yeah, right now I'm okay, but there are times that I break out. So yeah, so right now this is the lotion that I'm using. Yeah, but I want to change the lotion very soon. It's going to about finish. To be white, try it easier, because I've tried all the home remedies and everything. So if you know anything strong, let me know. So right here is what I had for breakfast: a piece of cake and a small pie and a cup of tea. So next, now I'm in class. That's my notebook where I write down important points, but in that book I usually write my personal stuff, not school related or anything. Yeah, and that's where I write down my few notes. I use that because I just avoid sleeping in class, otherwise I was not going to be writing. So now let me show you our classroom. That is how it was arranged. Those are tables, and they put the chairs in the middle and the tables at the back because people were using their phones during lectures. So yeah, they changed the seating arrangement. That's where they write a few notes, and there they project their notes there, what we are learning. So yeah, don't use your phones while in a lecture. See what happened to us. You can't even sleep. Ish. And that's our assignment. I was going to present, so we did out a few things there. Yeah, and that's what I had for lunch: rice and a piece of chicken, a piece of beef, and that's kalembla, or call it kalembla. What's that? Sweet potato leaves. Yeah, and that's at night after studying. Everything is disorganized, everything. And I have some painkillers there because I And cooking time, you can either cook before studying or after, but it depends with my mood that day. So I cooked after, so that is spaghetti right there. I boiled some eggs and some potatoes right there, as you can see. Then I also made some duko, not soup, the other one, gravy, yeah. But tomatoes, onion, salt, and that's all that I added in there. Then I also added sardines, we call it tin fish, lobster, whatever. And when the gravy was ready, I just put the sardine in and mixed, and you guys will see the end result in a bit. And that's what I had for my dinner, and I went to sleep. Thank you guys for watching this video. Very